What's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something from Taiwan. This is, oh man, what is this called? This is dried noodles with chili and shallot sauce by Yonghai. Yeah. So, as you can see, there you go. Yeah. So, yeah, a company in Taiwan reached out to me, said, hey, we got these noodles, and we know you want to try them. And I said, okay. So they sent them to me, and here they are. You know how it goes. At least by this point, I hope you know how it goes. It's like, man, we're at this point. You should know how it goes. If you're new to what I do, companies from around the world send me samples. And, oh wow, that's cool. And it's nice of them. Oh, look at that! And it comes down. I was like, dude, how am I going to count the calories on this? It's not an anglash. Well, that's not exactly the case. It is in English. Interesting. I've never seen a bag done that way, like this. Ooh, it's going to be tricky, but we'll deal with it. See, I have to scan this, so I don't want to cut into any text. I can clone stamp a good amount of it, but I'm glad I looked. I'm very glad I looked. So, here is what you get. There's the noodles. Let me see. Do they also have English cooking directions? I'm pretty sure I got the gist of how to make them, but... Oh, look at that. Yes, no, yes. No. But it does have all the calories and junk. That's cool. Okay, anyways. Let's get cooking, because this takes 3 to 5 minutes. I like my dry noodle pretty well cooked. So I'm going to let it do the 5. Here's what we have within. This is shallot and chili sauce. Both things I really like. With this kind of noodle, you might want to look and make sure there isn't a silica gel pack. So here's the noodles. Drop it in. And we're going to go for 5. Go there. Now, this isn't like top ramen or something domestic. You gotta cook these noodles, and then when that's done, you drain them, and then you put this sauce in, stir it up, and then you're good. And you're not supposed to let it boil over either. Dag nabbit. It's alright. Funny week it's been, I tell ya. I've been doing a lot of video. A lot of editing. So let's see what we got here. This looks like a chili oil. And this must be the scallion sauce. So mix those together, you're good to go. And I'm also going to add some, I've got some chashu pork belly, but I figure this will go good with pork belly, so I'm just going to cut it into some strips, like so. I really like kitchen scissors. You might be there going, I've got a really nice knife. I don't know why you're using kitchen scissors. It's just easier. My God. Why go for status when you can go for ease of use in the kitchen and elsewhere? Hells yeah. Chashu. I've got a soft egg, and I've got some spring onion. We're waiting, happening. Just went to my son Miles's IEP meeting. That's basically like they have like a plan of how they're gonna teach your kid and stuff. An individual education plan, and they give you they get a set of goals every year or 6 months or how often they update it, and he hasn't met all of them, but he's made a lot of big strides in the right direction, it sounds like, on everything. So that's just like, yeah, very cool. I'm thirsty. I'm gonna enjoy me a Coca-Cola. You know, Coca-Cola is a beverage that's been around for a very long time. And you might have enjoyed a Coca-Cola from time to time. Well, I'm here to tell you that it does not contain cocaine of any form, now or anymore, period. So if you're looking for cocaine, you won't find it in Coca-Cola. I wonder, see, I live in Washington State. It's legal to smoke pot here. And what I wonder is what if, and I don't think this will ever happen, what if all of a sudden they legalized cocaine? Would Coca-Cola jump on that and make a cocaine-infused cola beverage? I don't know. If they did, I'd try it. The whole problem with that, though, is you'd probably end up trying it and then like go, you know, another one sounds really good. Yeah, that could be bad. I would love to do promotion for Coca-Cola. That would be amazing. I mean, if you're doing commercials for Coke or Pepsi, those are big companies. Any company that's, I mean, yeah. That's recognition right there. Who's that guy? Oh, it's the ramen dude. What's he doing? Talking about Coke. Oh. There you go. No, I don't foresee that happening. However, you will be able to see a commercial that has me in it. At least an image of me and the Ramen Raider logo. Soon. And when it's out, I will let you know. It's gonna be on TV in Hong Kong. Nothing could make me happy. Well, I guess there are things that could make me happier, but that makes me pretty dang happy. Yeah. So you drain the noodles like so. I just put them back in the pot. And usually they say, okay, put all the sauce in a bowl and then do this and that. And it's like, nah, I just put it back where it goes. Come on, come on, come on. You see that? Yes. So let's add this oil. So I will say normally everything goes down the drain after you watch me taste it. But not this one. This is going for a, this is going to be in a spicy noodle mukbang. I mean, it's chili shallot, and that just sounds like way tasty. And it looks like this is like under 400 calories per serving, which is pretty good for a noodle. As far as an update on the whole walking and dieting thing, in the last week, I've walked, what was it, like 78, 77 miles the last 7 days. I'm trying to walk at least 10 miles a day at this point. And honestly, that's doable. Things though, like yesterday when I was trying to do 20, that's where I start to run into problems. But I got almost there. I got, what, 37,000 steps in. Yeah. Oh, this smells freaking awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna try it before I mukbangify it. But I'll give more of a detailed about what I think of it then. Although I am gonna garnish it, so this is kind of like the most raw of the thoughts. First off, this is a style of noodle I've really liked for a long time. Check those out. See the little edges on them. And they're a little thicker in the middle, and they're a little thinner on the outside. So it's almost like a dual textured noodle. Wow, that's got a good kick to it. More than I expected. Woo! Wowie zowie, man. Yeah, that means business. Good amount of Szechuan peppery oil. Not so much I'm like, ugh. But enough to make me go, oh hey. Big difference between ugh and oh hey. That's for sure. Alright. So this should be pretty quick. Egg. Egg. Come on, egg. Work with me. There's egg. There's our pork belly. Our spring onion. I could do sesame seeds. Why not? Yeah. That looks lovely, I think. Do you? Let's get this all riled up the way it needs to be. Come on. It'd be tough to get this everything all aligned the way it needs to be. Okay. Rotato. Here we go. Too mellow. Well, cool. Now I'm gonna go eat this on with the other thing. So make sure you check out the spicy noodle mukbang for this one. And this has been On's the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.